Kevin Coleman.
Watch this tumble. That's a 1, a 2, and 3 times knife edge tumble where he literally puts the right wing out in front of him. Is that astounding or what, everybody? How do you like this guy?
I don't want to say in the sign, never mind that.
Aerobatics runs deep in his veins. His dad and his brother, who are doctors now, also did aerobatic flying. But Kevin is taking it to a new level. The youngest pilot ever in the Red Bull Air Race history and a 3-time race winner in the Red Bull Air Race Challenger class. He'll accelerate out now. Keep your eyes on him as the nose comes up. He pulls hard, pulls hard, pulls hard, and does the world's smallest inside loop. Woohoo! I love that stuff. Man, this guy's good. He's a graduate of Louisiana Tech University. He grew up around airplanes and air shows. He soloed on his 16th birthday. He got his private pilot's license on his 17th birthday. His commercial license on his 18th birthday. He started flying air shows when he was 19. He started competing in aerobatic competitions when he was 16. And he is now the only American in the Aero GB1 class of the World Championship Air Race. What a treat it is to see this guy fly. He wants to thank his great sponsors. Red Bull, it gives you wings. Two-Bro Aviation from down in Coshada, Louisiana, his home. The Hartzell Propeller Company, I keep bringing that name up again because of his tremendous dependence upon the Hartzell brand of propellers built on honor. And what we also say CJ Aviation, SkyTech Starters, Concord Batteries, MGL Avionics, Oregon Aero, and Cleveland Wheels and Brakes. Watch now the precision of the point rolls on the down line as he accelerates past 200 miles per hour. Half point rolls, double rolls, quarter rolls, all the way down. There he's experiencing 12 G's on the upline. He sets the red line, does a 4-point roll, and then rolls the airplane arm to the left, stopping it, and then going into a flat inverted spin, then a knife edge spin. Recovering from that, goes into an upright flat spin where the airplane is literally falling at about 3,000 feet per minute. There is one thing to say about this guy, and it is, oh my goodness.
Kevin Coleman. Hit the like, subscribe button, bye-bye.